Who draws the line between forgery and feeling inspired? Who defines derivative versus being admired? Who decides what original means?
It looks so beautiful. And this baby, I mean not me. My favorite angle. Why spend a fortune when you can just DIY? Do you ever just scroll online, find the most perfect items, but then you look at the price tag and hesitate? Between the sizing issues, the questionable quality, and the never-ending wait, online shopping isn't always the dream it seems like. Moreover, if I can recreate it for much cheaper, why wouldn't I? Hello my kitties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be recreating this satin skirt from Zara that cost 2,550 rupees in just 175 rupees. Can you even imagine how huge the price difference is? Alright, so let's get started. Enjoy! Allow me to give you guys a quick price breakdown of all the materials. So, the fabric was 50 rupees per meter, the elastic was 15 rupees per meter, and the thread was 10 rupees. Alright, let me take you through the process now. So the skirt is like maxi, right? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take measurement from my mid-waist till my ankles, okay? So excited. Hello piggies, we're gonna iron this baby, I mean not me, this baby before we get started, okay? Time to measure the fabrics according to the measurements we took. That is huge. A lot of fabric. I won't need this much, but I have extra just in case I mess up, you know.
Forgery and feeling inspired. Who defines derivative versus being admired? Who decides what original means?
Now I'm going to show you guys my scissor skills. I don't really have any, but it's okay, I'm learning, so I think this is my favorite angle now, so you're gonna see a lot of it. Anyways, the tutorial that I'm using to make this skirt, I'll leave the link of it down in the description, just so if you want to check out, and also giving credit to that person because you made my job easier, girl. Thank you if you're watching. Now it's time to cut this baby. Well, hello there. I cut 2 panels from the fabric for the front and the back part of the skirt. Just the same thing twice. And now, let's sew them together. This is my favorite part of making anything. Also, look at the sun. It looks so beautiful. Anyways. This always gives me a hard time. Never mind, I got it. guys, this is what the base of the skirt looks like. I'll have a lot of modifications to do. I'll be cutting off from the end because this is too long and also asymmetrical. I'll be trimming the waist part a little, and also I'll be trimming the excess from the inside of the skirt and maybe making it a little more fitting or anything. I'll see. But yeah, this is just the base, okay? What do you think? Now I'm gonna take a much needed break.
Who draws the line between forgery and feeling inspired? Who defines derivative versus being admired? Who decides what original means? Who inspires and knows the one of these? What polished soul is a giant? Your dress seems bare. Who draws the line between innovation and tried and true? Who's to say what's reiteration and what is new? Who decides what original means?
Hello, so this is how the skirt is looking right now, and I'm kind of fond of it. I kept it a little longer compared to what the model was wearing. It's a little more like above the ankle, but I kept it till the ankle and also high-waisted because I just like my skirts long, I hate midi. And that's one of the advantages of making your own thing, because now you can adjust it however you like and modify it, make it something that screams you instead of just what the brand is selling. We only have one step left, oh my god, and that is to add the elastic, so let's do this and finish it up. I pinned 4 of its edges just to have a reference.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So loves, that was it for the video. I just want to know your thoughts on the skirt, if you liked it and if it was worth recreating. Also, if you're still watching, just know I'm so grateful for your time, and if you can comment, it would be very helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.